Hey, welcome to my channel. Riddle here. Welcome back if you're a subscriber. I really appreciate it. I want to repost this. This is a video I did, gosh, a good 12 years ago, I think. But our old house was very sunny because it was in Los Angeles, and I had this location over a table that I wanted to do a chandelier, because outdoor chandeliers were trending really hard then. And of course, I like to make everything myself, but also it was impossible to get electricity ran to this particular area because it was located a distance from the house and over a giant old ash tree. So I thought to myself, I wonder if enough sun comes through that I could create a solar chandelier. Creating a solar chandelier is the easiest thing in the world, especially if you live in a part of the country that has great thrift stores or to the type of stores that carry architectural things, like a Habitat for Humanity. I started with this old chandelier, and this was an electric chandelier that was gutted and at the thrift store, and I think it was like 12 bucks. I ripped out the electricity and the bulbs from it and then just replaced those with some decent quality solar walkway lights like these. And then I just embellished it. So depending on your taste and your skill level and how elaborate you want to get, see the little mirrored garland? Now those are really inexpensive, half-inch mirrored mosaic tiles, they call them. You can buy them on eBay in bulk. And the trick is you get some good fishing line, not too thick, not too thin. You have to get some good dollar store super glue and hot glue gun. And then you put one little drop of the super glue on first, and then you put one little drop of the hot glue on, and then you squeeze them together back to back, centered over your fishing line. And this is a way you can make this really beautiful mirrored garland for next to nothing. And then of course you want to measure that and do equal spacing or somewhat equal spacing, and I connected it like a garland all the way around. Then I went hunting old crystal chandelier pieces, prisms they call them. You can also use sun catchers, but you get some more pricey. These are porcelain butterflies, and I actually made these by hand, so I know that's not everybody has access to ceramics or a kiln, but what I like about the porcelain is you can hear it clinking together, which is really beautiful at night or when the wind blows. What I did different this time with my solar chandelier is I also I had some wind chimes that fell apart, and I hung those in here to add a wind chime element and some more sound connected with the clinking of the porcelain butterflies. Now this is super elaborate, and I'm probably going to add more crystals and what have you to it to balance it all out. But you can go as simple or as elaborate as you want to creating a solar chandelier. The main thing is you probably want to test out how much light you're getting beforehand. Now we're still here on the edge of winter, ready to go into spring, but we're already getting enough light that this thing will light up at night halfway decent and last about 5 or 6 hours. But once we have full sun in the summertime, I'm gonna post the picture for the title picture of the video so you can see how beautiful it is. And another thing that the mirrors do is the mirrors help to reflect and generate more of the light from the solar lights, because as you know, solar lights aren't super bright. At least I haven't encountered any yet that are super bright, but it's still really beautiful, which you'll see hopefully you'll be lured in by the cover photo of the video to see what it looks like at nighttime. But yeah, it's as simple as that. You can get as elaborate or as simple as you want. All you need is an old chandelier, rip out the electricity from the top, wire in or glue in your solar patio or solar walkway lights in each place where the electricity used to be, and then trick it out. Trick it out as simple or as beautiful as you want, with either disassembling or integrating some wind chimes, some chandelier crystals, some mirrored garland, and it's just before, when I looked out here on the patio, and eventually these grapevines are going to come to life and fill in the top with greenery, and that's going to be, you know, super beautiful too. But before, when I looked out here, it was just an empty space. And now when I look out from the kitchen, it's always doing something different. It's either shooting lights all over the place, but the energy of it is just, it just makes you want to look out the window, and it just raises the overall energy of this space and the house. Okay, if you have any questions, I think I covered everything. Please leave them in the comment box below. I'm very responsible about responding to questions, and I want you to have a great day and take care of yourselves and take care of each other, because I believe how we treat each other on the streets is our ultimate reality. And please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video or were inspired by the beauty of this solar chandelier. And it doesn't hurt to subscribe either. Though I have to pre-warn you, my videos, you know, I do this just for fun. I do this just to share. So my videos are all over the place. One time it's going to be some do-it-yourself project, something really artistic. The next time it's going to be something related to gardening and growing food organically. And then the next time it might be something political, psychological, and occasionally magical.